Sofia Paulenius, the Swede, who's come back. She's got a son who's 14 months old, and she's back paddling after a year off. She's back into it. Tamara Cipes from Hungary is the 2011 world champion in this event. Rebecca Simon, the Hungarian GB girl. Tennille Hatton, who's the final K1 5000 champion from last year. It's a tough field. You have Mira Larson in lane 10. There's Dalma on screen.
Another baby specialist, but yeah, we have a few young mothers coming into it.
Sophia here, she's got some trendy shades on from Oakley. She's doing the Swede thing and being very stylish. Tamara Cipes.
You've been her partner in the last year. You did some racing with the K2 500, didn't you?
That's it. Yeah, I paddled with Tamara. She's a powerhouse. My money's on Tamara Cipes for the win today.
Her dad was quite good, wasn't he? Well,
yeah, I think Ferenc paddled pretty well in the
Olympics.
Yeah, he's pretty established. The young German girl Melanie Gebhardt in lane 8. Anastasia Karatanova, the Russian. I've raced her in 2012 here. And Mira Veres Larson in lane 10. There was an altercation with a start time of the race, the semi-final the other day, and she actually missed the race, so the protest went in and Mira was allocated a spot in the final, so very lucky there. And she's a very established paddler as well, obviously the wife of Eric Larson and mother of Falk. She's a...
Cool name.
Yeah, it's very Viking-like it sounds, but...
So Tamara, wasn't she toying with the idea of becoming Australian?
Yeah, Tamara lived in Australia for about 8 months, I think, and trained with us on the Gold Coast there. She's a very hard worker and great to paddle with, great experience and lovely girl. So
anyway, they're off.
And Tennille Hatton from New Zealand in lane 7, looking for a good start. She is a fast starter. So
you know how she took you all apart in Red Chichi this year.
Yeah, she really...
Well, you finished fast, but
she takes it out very fast, and she has to. She's light and she's strong. She's probably the fittest in the field, so she has to give it everything. You can see over the other side of the field, it's actually lane 0, which is Mira Larson in the green boat.
There's Tennille, who's actually joining us in the commentary booth tomorrow. So let's hope she has a good race, so she's feeling good about herself. So
it's at this stage, it's Tennille from Rebecca Simon in lane 6 on the other side of her. There's Sophia, who's sitting 4th or 5th at the moment. On the other side of her, lane 3, is Dalma Benedek, from Serbia.
Because she's had a staggeringly good 2013 the European. She won the 500 and the 1000, I believe. And then last year, she I think was about the only person to be disqualified before she started in the world in the 500, which is the only event she went. So let's see how they get today. Another
mishap with the start times, but Tennille Hatton is the current K1 5,000 metre world champion from 2013, and she's actually taking this out really well.
In Ružičić, she was about 3 or 4 lengths ahead, wasn't she, before you decided to wake up in the last 100 metres?
Yeah, she's like I said, she spent the winter in Hungary this year training with the girls there.
But at the same time, she's a full-time paramedic student, so just the work of so well. But at the moment, she's taking it out.
Dalma Benedek looked like she's actually making a bit of a move in lane 3 on Tennille there. Tennille raced in the K4 earlier today. I think they were 5th in the B final, so she's already been out here in the racing scene, and she knows how to race from the front, and she's
Tamara looks like
them.
She's coming through.
Tamara, generally will have a bit of a kick, so I think she's the strongest out there by far. So Tamara, you'd be looking for her in the last 200, but Tennille is just dominating this at the moment. Dalma in lane 3, sticking it to her as well. Here comes Tamara in the middle there. Lane 5 from Hungary. Don't discount Sofia Paulenius from Sweden in the middle there. She's about 4th at the moment. Dalma from Serbia.
Dalma was from Hungary and won lots and lots of medals there before she switched in a couple of years ago. But it's coming into a real race, isn't it?
This is the move from Tamara Cipes. She knows this race very well, winning it in 2011, just missing the Hungarian team in 2012, moving to Australia. Now she's in the Hungarian colours again.
And then going later tomorrow, I guess, hopefully in the final of the K2 500.
She's in the K2 500 tomorrow, one of the middle lanes.
Up against her.
Tennille looks like she's tightening up a bit, and Tamara just starts to make a bit more of a move on her as they're coming into the last 200. Dalma Benedek from Serbia is hanging in there in the medal position at the moment.
So she's taken the grip on it.
Tamara Chipesh hits the 200 to go. Tennille Hatton's still in there. Tamara flicks the switch.
It's a 2-horse race. Well, 3-horse race at the moment. We have Tamara Chipesh from Hungary, Dalma from Serbia, and Tennille Hatton. See how much she wants it from New Zealand.
Tamara is so calm in these conditions.
Well,
she knows how to race. Lane 5.
She's leaning right back with Dalma leaning right forward.
The girls aren't giving it to her very easily,
but
though.
Tennille's not giving up there. This could be really close. Tennille is the fastest finisher for New Zealand so far with about 50 metres to go. It's going to be really close. Look at the bottom lane. It's Tennille who wants it as much as Tamara, and I can't call it.
Oh, my gosh. It's so close. I'd say Tennille from New Zealand takes the win there. I'd say Tennille, then Tamara, then Dalma. Wow.
Well, they've given it their all, haven't they? What a
great race.
Staggering last 100 metres. This shows how much they fall back and you think it's all over, and then they say, no, I can push.
It's not over till it's over, yeah. They've given the first place unofficially to Tennille Hatton from New Zealand.
Too tired to say thank you.
Yeah, she's given it everything. Thought it was over, but it's not over till it's over, and what a big day.
And then because she's speaking to her a couple of days ago, and she said, I've got three big races on Saturday. But she said, I'm looking forward to it. It'll be fun. That's what we train for.
She likes racing. This 5,000 metre will be a very interesting race because she's so fit and light, and she just moves the boat really well. So we'll see how she holds up.
She's not as scared to mix it with the others.
That's it. She's not afraid of anyone out there, and she definitely wants to make her mark out there. Tamara so efficient, just getting pipped on the line by the young Kiwi.
Look at that. How close is that?
Oh, how do they? Yeah, it's nothing in it, is it? It's centimetres. And Dalma Benedek from Serbia has a fast finishing third. 4th place going to the girl from Romania, Florentina Camenescu. Wow, it's all smiles down here in Moscow.
Must make it easy when you actually, you got the gold medal.
Look at the time, 3:49.
Here we go. 500 of a second between first and third. Tennille Hatton takes the gold for New Zealand. Tamara Chipesh for Hungary takes the silver, and Dalma Ružičić Benedek takes the bronze medal.
There was .357 between first and third. They all did 3:49s. That is absolutely flying. So the girls aren't holding back. They're definitely giving it everything, and it's great to see women's paddling's really taken that step up.
There's 2 gold medalists. There's Henrietta, who's congratulating.
Training buddies sometimes, yep.
These girls really gave it their all. Looked completely exhausted especially after the end with the 100 meters. The perhaps the most exciting 100 meters. Tamara Chipesh took the lead, but little Tennille Hatton said, no, I'm not going to give this up, and really forced away. Presentation of the medals. Well, Dalma, she's won plenty of medals for Hungary before switching nationalities to Serbia, but it's Serbia who counts today. It's Dalma Ružičić Benedek. Got that the wrong way around, but not to worry. Takes another medal. Tamara Chipesh, father was a great Olympian. She's proving really good. A couple of years ago she won the gold medal. Flirted with the idea of spending a lot of time in Australia, then came back this season. Takes the silver medal today. Really gutsy performance, but there's no one gutsier than 24-year-old paramedical student Tennille Hatton from New Zealand. Well done. They say she's the fittest girl on the circuit. New Zealand Be interesting to see what happens with the poster girl, Lisa Carrington, in the next day. She's certainly well positioned for the K1 200 and is in with the mix also for the K1 500. National anthem of New Zealand. Gold medal for New Zealand. Tennille Hatton takes the gold in the K1 1000 metres. That pretty much wraps up our live commentary for today. Join us tomorrow, Sunday. What time do we start the live finals? It'll be 10 o'clock in the morning Russian time. We've got 14 finals to cover together tomorrow. So thanks for joining us. I'm Matthew Layton, signing off now. And we'll catch you tomorrow. Take care.